DL Trader here with today's trade recap on Friday the 12th of April. Happy to report another green day. That's a full green day, green week for me. I didn't trade Monday. Came back to the markets on Tuesday and had 4 green days in a row with increasing P&L as I've slowly been increasing my size. So today was one of the biggest green days I've had for a while. Still not as big as I have had in the past, but I'm happy, with it according to the size I'm trading and the risk I've got. So I'll run over the trades as normal. 3 tickers today. First trade I took was KTOV. Looking at the daily chart, former runner, likes to spike, give up its gains. So was looking at this level in particular, 1.72 previous top. Gapped up pre-market, rejected at 1.62. So was watching that key level, waited for the open, and watched what it was going to do. Saw this push up towards pre-market, got rejected, pulled back, so got in short for downside. Trimmed some off, took half off just here into the wash. I like to be a bit quicker with my trades. The closer they are to 9:30, as these things skip a lot, so you can take those gains quick. So pulled some back, felt like it wasn't going to bounce, so shorted in some more, and then shorted in some more, and then actually covered here. I can't remember if I covered all or if I covered some. Just felt like it, I was looking for that big wash down to cover into and didn't want to start taking a loser, so covered up some there. Must have been partial, or I stopped out and then added back in because I got another cover down here. So then adding those shares back on, covering into the wash, trying to work that trade, and then shorting this secondary bounce for lower, covering into the wash, stopped out, trimmed some here and then stopped out up here. So really just rinse and repeat. Really, I'm shorting after these top outs, looking to get adds to the winners. Excuse me, my platform's just frozen. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So just trying to repeat that process. Let it spike, top out, hit short, add to winner, cover into wash, add those shares back. So although I stopped out here after I saw this move here, this stuff move over this high, wasn't afraid to get short again, covered into the wash, added back on, covering more, putting them back on, and just working that trade. So this part from here down was a really nice winner, made the solid green on the name. Next trade of the day, KTOV, TRNX. So this one, I really happy with this one. Gap up pre-market, big pullback, looking for a push up towards pre-market highs. Let it top out. So let it push up, top out. Got in short, risking high of day. Added some more, and then just felt like it was gonna rip. So covered up some here, but then after it didn't make the move up here any higher, got more short, covered into the wash, covering more down here, adding on here, covering down, adding back on, covering, adding back on, covering. And I'm just trying to repeat this process until I feel like the move is over. After this big wash, we had this wash, and then I felt like it started to put in a low, and it's midday, so these things can sort of grind back towards VWAP. So took the rest off, happy with my gains. Didn't want to give back to a nice winner. So that was TRNX, biggest trade of the day. Really happy with that one. And then the last one, CTRM. CTRM, very tricky on this front side move. It was halted, low volume, massive spread. So left it alone, let it have this huge washout, and then I was interested to short into the bounce. So after this candle, I got short with risk just above here. Got a bit of slippage on my stop, but a good stop nevertheless because it went on to go way higher. So I was happy with that loser. After this big wash again, looking for that next bounce to get short into. After this candle, this high, got short, risking just here. Only took a minimum size, so got that big washout and covered them all. Patient for the bounce and got back in on the trade. Tight risk just above this level, which triggered my stop. So overall, 2 small losers, 1 larger winner, so small red on the name, but happy with my risk management. Felt like there's a lot of potential for this to just come right back down, so worth taking the trade. It's ended up grinding along there all day, so couldn't have done too much more with that anyway. So overall, good day, good week. Happy with my sort of starting to size up. I've got increased risk as of next week, so looking to double up my risk again, double up my size. So hopefully this is all going to go well and will be my breakthrough. Okay, thanks very much, guys. Cheers.